Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Tele2 Latvia's eSIM offering, found at tele2.lv/eSIM. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card that eliminates the need for a physical SIM. This allows for convenient switching between carriers and plans, often simplifying international travel. Tele2 Latvia provides this modern SIM technology, giving customers a flexible and streamlined connection option. Their website, tele2.lv/eSIM, offers a wealth of information about how to activate and manage your eSIM profile. The process generally involves scanning a QR code provided by Tele2 after purchasing a compatible plan. This digital approach simplifies the traditional SIM card process, eliminating the need for physical handling and shipping. It's a valuable option for those who frequently change devices or travel abroad, as it removes the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards. Tele2 Latvia's eSIM support caters to the evolving needs of modern mobile users. With a straightforward activation process outlined on their website, transitioning to an eSIM is designed to be seamless. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or simply seeking a more convenient mobile experience, exploring eSIM technology can be advantageous. Tele2 Latvia's website likely details compatible devices and provides step-by-step instructions, making the transition as smooth as possible. Be sure to check their FAQ section for answers to common questions and troubleshooting tips. Switching to an eSIM can offer greater flexibility and ease of use, particularly when managing multiple mobile numbers or traveling internationally. It eliminates the risk of losing a physical SIM card and simplifies the process of switching between carriers or plans. Tele2's dedication to offering eSIM technology underlines their commitment to providing up-to-date solutions for their customers. For a more connected and convenient mobile experience, consider exploring the benefits of eSIM with Tele2 Latvia. Visit their website to learn more and discover if an eSIM is the right choice for you. By embracing digital SIM technology, you can simplify your mobile life and stay connected with greater ease. Remember to check the description below for the direct link to Tele2 Latvia's eSIM information page.